How to make hot chocolate bombs fast, easy, and fun. With a small spatula or spoon, paint the sides of our silicone muffin form to form the cups. You want to make sure that it's evenly distributed and a little bit thick on the sides, so that way you can have even coverage. Try to avoid seeing any holes. If you do have any, you're able to fix them later. Use the silicone spatula to get all the chocolate out of the micro pitcher so every form can be filled. Use the back of the spoon to make sure all edges are smooth. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes or more. To assemble, just peel the cup out of the mold. You need a top and you need a bottom. If there's a little hole, you can fill it in with some chocolate. Nice tip is if your first batch isn't great, you can always remelt these at 15-second intervals to start again. Fill the cup with some chocolate pieces, some mini marshmallows. You can add 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate, or if this is enough chocolate, you can have it just be this. Cover it up. Make sure that this chocolate is not too hot or it will melt this. So you want to have it be almost room temperature but pliable enough to move. Seal up the edges